Hey everyone, in this video we'll see that how we can traverse a singly circular linked list. Let's start. As you can see in my screen that it's written, we'll traverse through the entire list until it's encountering with head. So let's say this is the singly circular linked list. Now if we traverse up to null, then it will go to the infinite loop. Why? Just pause this video and write in the comment section. So while if we write t not equals to null, then what happen? It will go to the infinite loop. Why? Because we don't have any null value within our singly circular list. Because in singly circular list at the last node what we have the address of head stored over there. So there won't be any case which will be null. So what we'll do, we'll just traverse until our reference pointer is not equals to head. So what does it mean? Let's say that t equals to head. Now what is the value of t? That is fff0. We'll take a do while loop and we'll check that t not equals to head. So why I'm taking do while loop? Because in do while loop at first it will execute this statement, then it will check. So that is the benefit of using do while loop. Then we'll traverse the entire list and at the last position it will encounter that t equals to head. Then we'll just terminate the loop. So this is how we can traverse a singly circular list. Now we'll look at the code. So at first we'll call the create and insert function. We're assuming that we have some value within a list. Then what we'll do, we will just put a do while loop. Let's say that this is the list A, B, C, A next equals to B, B next equals to C, and C next equals to A. This is the loop. Now what is the value of head? The value of head is A, and we'll assign that into ref. Now what is the value of ref at first? That is A. So if we write while ref not equals to head, so at first the loop will be terminated. Why? At first the value of ref will be the value of head, so this portion will be terminated. That's why we are using do while loop. So at first what we'll do, we'll just print the data of ref. So what is the data of ref? Let's say that we have 10 over here, we have 2 or 20, we have 30 over here. At first what is the data of ref? That is 10. We'll print 10. Then we will move our reference pointer to the next node. It means now what will be the value of ref? The value of ref will be B. We'll check that B not equals to A or not, B not equals to A. Then what we'll do, we'll again print the data of ref. So what is B contains? This node contains 20. We'll print 20. Then we'll again move the ref pointer. Now what will be the value of ref? That is C. C is also not equals to A. We'll just print 30. Now what C next contains? C next contains A because it's a singly circular list. Now what is the value of ref? It will be A. So A is not equals to A. It means A equals to A. So this portion will be terminated. So as you can see that we have successfully printed the value of our singly circular list. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. Now we'll go for the hands-on. So as you can see in my screen that this portion is written over there. So I have already discussed about these portions. Then this is the insert function. This is the insert function for inserting anything at the end of a singly circular linked list. And this is the traverse function. So in the traverse function, at first we are checking if our head equals to null. It means we don't have any value within our head. Then what we are doing, we are initializing a ref with head Then we are just printing not present in the list, and we are using do while loop. So why we are using do while loop, I have already discussed about that. And you can see that we are calling the traverse function 2 times. So let me insert some values. 10, as you can see that not present in the list, that is 10, 10, 20. So we have inserted 10, 10, 20. As you can see in my screen that we have printed 10, 10, 20. So this is how we can traverse a singly circular linked list. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.